something I saw when she always I use the baby. I said, oh, this is what make me know so she never connected to the picnic because
None at all. None
know
at all.
me know say
When she go
Justin.
in there, like when you greet dog,
Yeah.
when you come home and you go greet the dog, that's how
Wow.
she greet him. So when Mrs. Shell carry on now, probably not the later end, probably like 2 years before that, she probably she used to just have it there, the
Yeah, but
everybody
remember,
know.
so how she reached this, so Carlene, because she lose the husband now, she lose the work at
Yeah.
Digicel.
So she turned to the picnic. By this the picnic now even, and she and her big daughter never used to agree.
I knew. That's why I can't talk. I'm say you can't talk, Shelly, because I look in your life and I saw the things of my mother and me, and it's the said for
And
me.
the little picnic did not follow she way. She bright but she walk and fuck just like her mother.
Mm.
Rum blood used to be in them house. Everybody know who rum blood is. Well, with the husband and she had grind rum blood.
So rum blood, so him I want done or something.
No, Dan. Him used to be in a like dancehall. I don't know if he play select. I'm not sure what. I'm not sure. But him known in her like, no, which day I'm done. She used to have him in her house. With
And
her
then
husband.
Ashley are the one way.
Ashley take her blood clot husband nearly murder.
So who was her
No
husband?
nearly. When murder her, it send her go get pill.
Who her husband?
Ashley. Her husband was the CEO, Mr. Curran, well, Steve Curran. Him used to be something that Digicel, so she get the position.
Oh, so she never really
Yeah,
get the
it was.
position for merit.
You know what? I now go say that. I don't know. I don't
Oh,
remember. Cause a long time. But it so happened that they fuck. You chat anything you want. The man where she married to, the strange looking white man, it was some big part of Digicel.
mm-hmm.
And she fucked on the man, but the man don't know enough of the things till when the man know say certain things and take Ashley. Him and Ashley in the apartment downtown at Oceana. So you know
Hey,
things.
no, sir. And this are really the auntie.
Yeah. So she want to talk. When she there fuck Vibes Cartel,
Mm.
she and her husband live properly. And what the next one? Actually, me not keep up people's business. I want to do this.
Devin the doctor.
Devin she having another house. And one next, she fuck Devin the doctor. And one next little one. One next little one from Digital Rising Star.
I would the Romain Verb. Christmas.
No. Him never win. Him name one next little young one. She did have him there too. We not see him back. While she had grind them, her husband lived there.
No.
And the husband never do nothing more than left her for Ashley. Left her and it nearly mother. No, nearly you can't say mother. Because she never thinks say Stephen did ever leave her. His name Stephen Curran.
And I know that all of them taxing energy there in her, and it has steam her up now, to come so she go find the dirtiest of dirt for me. Carlene, I'll remind her, Shelly, I know it all. And if you come after me,
I'ma tell you when you draw the Ashley, I'ma tell you say she couldn't sleep. She nearly mad. Not nearly, she was mad.
So Ashley from Barronley and the Dragonaires.
Yeah, Ashley from the fashion, the clothes, we do the Ashley whatever, the black girl. We do her body. She take Shelly husband and take him over. And she make people want beat the girl, want in a problem with the girl. Yeah. It was no secret that the man left her feet. The man come out her house.
That's why you always keep to me, because you always say, me have to go protect that little youth yourself. Anybody come after him, me go give them.
But me tell you this, but you don't believe me.
Carlene,
you ever hear me in a Mixup or tell nobody business? I tell you, but you don't believe me. My boss for all my spirit take people, I'm from day one, I just love you. From the meet you up, remember?
High-low supermarket.
Nope. You see in bold track when you come with Terry, whatever his name is. Yeah, a long time. You don't know me, no.
Oh, see me not remember that part. I remember me say hello.
No, the first time you meet me and you hug me and say, you're one of my biggest fans. You see in both chocolate, you came with Terry Orlong, you always my name. You had on your suit and
Oh,
you was,
Alando
oh,
Terry Long because I was
yes.
confirming the seat with him for Andrew.
Listen,
You know
me
for
not
true.
forget nothing.
You're
But me
true.
look here. The next time I saw you, you don't see me. You are with Julia Oldness, so nobody can tell me nothing.
Oh,
All right.
you connect all of that them for true.
Yeah, that's a mistake. We just don't talk. So me know. And then we see when you see me again, you see me in a general fruits.
And you know me gonna ask you for the Carlene. There's a lot of people, including yourself, that is crying from Pinky's death. I want to find two more of them and I want to find my house. Me need you to complete a process with Pinky that you never get to complete. You
All right,
hear?
no problem.
I want to
Yeah. What you
find
mean by two more?
the process cannot start if there's not three.
Oh, so me must come with two more
Yeah,
persons.
but if you can get Beanie Man and somebody else who were very
Me not,
instrumental, is even
me
up.
not talk to Beanie Man.
Ah, but you need to get there back because him give enough hurt and Danai give enough hurt. Enough of the great men them in the industry give enough hurt. You have to deal
Yeah,
with all of that to get back your true queen in the dance hall.
yeah.
You
You see
understand?
yeah, what I do, them not hurt me no more, cause
No.
me
No.
X them off.
Listen to me. Listen to me.
Yeah, me I listen.
I want to get a new book. And you see your book is going to be a white book. White book. Because you come from a other divinity. You get me?
Yes,
Want you recognize you always love the white here and them something there. There's a reason for that, Kylie. However,
right.
carry your white book and carry two more persons who you trust. Don't carry
Yeah.
Crystal yet. Crystal not ready
No,
yet.
no, no. Me not bring Crystal nowhere. Me not. Yeah, me wanna bring
But
her.
I'm saying to you, find those two people, Carlene. And there's a reason why I never let you in my life yet. I was seeing to see whether or not you're one of the genuine ones because too much woman come with the spirit of Jezebel and what them do to me mess me up like Juliet Holness and Shelly Curran.
No, me tell you. When I saw you one time and I said to you, 'cause again, them did I threaten you.
Mm.
I call somebody. I never see you yet. I see you at the fabric store. I say you don't know me. A few people me take to. Remember when
Mm.
you call me, you say you want dinner? I
Yeah,
say
that's
okay,
true.
I go bring
Cook
it.
up, I cook the stew the chicken foot. That was a lovely. But you know, Carlene, I can't eat no meat no more for a
Good,
while.
good. Yeah, me not eat meat. Me not eat meat, I just
Mm.
Crystal me cook chicken for. Me not eat meat.
But trust me, I'm going to break her and build her. I'm going to show her.
I'm a,
See, I
I'm
just.
tell you, say in there 2 times. I tell you, I'm said, listen, you don't know me to a
Mm-hmm.
level, but you will. And I said, Andre, I have your back.
I appreciate it, Carlene. I never expected you to, because here's why. I see you all the time around her.
No, me no own her. She own me. You know much
Oh.
time she tell me for come on tea time. Me dodge it. Cause
Mm.
me not do mix up and sugar one going at some things where it's so when we come from me show me tell you say Andre it's about you.
Yeah.
She's not gonna do that. And I keep dodging her.
Yeah, man. I'm going to tell her what they say.
When
You know, I'm really hurt, Carlene. Or when she called me and said, Andre, if you have anything from a genuine space, we tell L.A. Lewis. I'm going to tell L.A. Lewis you have a powerful voice, but it is misused and it has created an order of chaos on this land. Once you turn around and do, L.A., yeah, Andre, they talk to you. You want dressing? And she
yeah,
lit.
I don't like so she's going at any angle to get this attention. It's so wrong.
It's
I,
vulgar. It is
yeah,
whorish.
I see she dig up some people story where she know and I'm saying I call her out on it. I say Shelly, no, you don't need to do that. You will get there.
Yeah, man. So I'm
You will
going to
get
teach
there.
her. because she that's why she go for SSL, but she never know say there's a way to do it. She think
Yeah, you're not
once you see
supposed to
something
do
online you
it.
use it. No, you have to use
Yeah.
could it be? Is it? Why? There's always an exclamation or a question mark because my grade teachers from Waterford Primary, St. Catherine High School, Thompson's Preparatory, Ascot Primary always taught me the importance of the alphabet, the importance of the phonics, the importance of sentence structure. Because if the sentence starts wrong, it can give the misinterpretation at
Yeah.
the end.
Yeah.
So, therefore, if she wants to know my dirt, go back to Waterford Primary, go back to Ascot Primary, go back at, no, she not go at the place them, she go in at the JLP. Because that the story I got
Yeah.
dead soon, You're not
Yeah,
finding
but
which part break me, You're not finding it because you're so caught up finding. And where did happen at half a tree? You can't know what's going on half a tree, Shelly, because if you ever talk where half a tree, you become barren. Barren!
boy, oh boy.
Because Carlene, what happening in a half a tree? If me tell the whole of Jamaica we are in a serious problem, you know me can't talk it because
Yeah.
the mystery world and the divine world, I know everybody in Jamaica can know it. Because the whole of we know it, we are gonna cause and war and blood and this and that, and every tribe are gonna want to be in charge.
Yeah.
So me go tell her, say, you see, because you come from the Fang tribe, where the only pan mix up and the interbreeding, and one of the worst tribe come from Africa. Because your family history come with mix up and interbreeding. A truth. So the curse of
Yeah.
400 years ago, Carlene, walk with her. Walk with her and it come in a one farm now, one shiny girl. Well, look good, but if you ever take up the makeup child in Carlene, you know says that ugly, ugly, ugly character.
Yeah. And when Pinky was dying, she said to me, I'm gonna make you rich back like how you did rich plus more. And when she said that to me, I said, Pinky, you're not dead, so but you're gonna make me rich. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna rich back plus
Carlene, and
more.
that's why I said to you, say, there's some things Pinky want to show you. Where you not
Yes,
remember.
and when you said that, that's why I know you're not lying. Because she said to me now in a person
And I'm going
before
to
she
say to
did.
you, as one of my mothers, them, you see, like how you have the gospel world, the dancehall world need to get settled, for change the music, for liberate the country, You'll play a
True.
major part in the
Yeah.
realignment of the dancehall fraternity. Because all of them
Yeah.
respect you for that when the great queen of dancehall take up her phone, nobody knocks, say them not deny the call. Everybody are gonna say, yo,
True.
mama, where you did say? Allow me I tell, Shelly Curran
Yeah.
don't have
That's
that
true.
power. The angel don't have that power. Spice don't have that power. None of them don't have that
I
power.
don't know
I'm gonna say
why
this to
Shell did
you.
it to you though.
I'm gonna say this to you. You know where that power they come through? All of the men who loved you, but them do something, and you say, me just come from this. Me tired of them foolishness.
Yeah.
You see,
And let me
Dana
tell you, me
Williams.
not no secret, grind and no secret whatever man.
So I'm gonna
Yeah.
say this to you. See, a great Daniel Williams. You need to go back to him and have a final discussion. You see, Beanie Man, you have to go back to him and say, yo, my brother, you see, Crystal come from a particular tribe. And I have to protect Crystal. And that's why I don't make Crystal come around you too much. Because I don't want you to learn your Irish ways them. And the other
Right.
little dirty things them. So I'm all from you. I want you to teach Crystal the other part, which is the creative part. Because that is who you are. You need to create.
Yeah, that's what my daughter know me with two man. Two.
Mm.
Beanie Man and Danai.
So therefore, you see how critical.
Ryan, my last man when me did that with.
So I'm gonna say
Me
this.
not do that thing there.
You see why?
So Shelly, as me I tell you, Shelly and her daughter then at the party and she I take one man and look here nasty.
So what is daughter name?
Asia.
Asia.
Yeah,
That's why the Asian spirit walk with she. Them take every
Asia.
farm.
Yeah, she does graduate from university overseas.
And the
She,
babe,
she,
the
she
pitney where they them just AI wrong person, she I got try rub,
yeah, Justin. And she left Justin. She I help her grow him. Tell her everybody see it. And tell her say when she come home and greet Justin like when you greet your dog and then she's done.
Mm.
And the man, the white man love Justin, not she.
Mr. Curran.
I remember Mr. Curran, Stephen Curran, him love the little boy. I think that's part of why him did take up Shelly. Asia one father and the man left her. Justin a one nether father and him left her. Stephen a one father for the last two and him left her. Three baby father, four pitney. And them all leaves.
All of them resent her.
And just remind say I did never ever claims that it was going on like it's work ethic.
Oh, it was just for digital. It's never one hour no time.
Now Adi, Vibes Cartel. So when she go talk about them in a song, it was just out of picking up two shadow digital as she married. Him could have been there with her. When him grind him a grind Lisa, I do all everybody.
The whole fraternity.
Yeah. The whole of that them girl they so I
Oh,
never
that's
like
why
it
she
special.
partner up with Lisa. I forget her hype with the two of them.
Oh, she partnered up with Lisa Iphone.
She did have
Okay.
him on the show one time.
Remember, say Lisa Ive come out. You know, remember, I saw Vibes Cartel body. I eat my she up, the sex tape. I remember it stayed Shorty step two. Vanessa bling her with them one name. Yeah. Shorty never look for she because she know it was a work thing and she make him can't get all her digital because she didn't charge her entertainment and she grind everybody who she could do and if you know certain level so you just have the things them for talk.
Alright, Tony, me catch up with you. But me need to do the process.
And tell her I said the belly where she dash where we nearly kill her because never the husband she breed for she never know her who.
Mighty God.
She mess with the wrong person. She shouldn't trouble you. Yeah.
It's the first I've ever seen you in an ugly form. It's the first. It's the first I ever seen you in an ugly form.
Yeah, Ashley, yeah, because I don't expect her to bring you on your flipping show and then I go come trouble you. When me hear shout out there's something for the thing with when named them, I say, wow. Why you do that? You only remember she and everybody fall out. The last girl a Pinky Pink. She Dovey Magnum. She and every artist where she manage. How comes that everybody at fault? You have to look into yourself. It can't be everybody at fault. I know she enjoy you in her nastiness. That not make it. You had her on tea time. You went to her show, so you show loyalty. Why should do this to you now?
Yeah, man, I'm the wrong person she mess with. Cause you know me do.
I tell you that Ashley something mother. When me tell you say, cause you know when you have a man and think him never ever leave. That's how she had Stephen and the girl take him.
I wish your name Ashley the Byron. Ashley.
Ashley, man, you can't miss her. She have the clothes. You know her, the same person. Ashley, the designer girl. If you find her, send the picture and me tell you says she that. She used to sing back up for Barley and the Dragonaires. And she have the fashion. She have some clothing, some. Yeah? Shelly-Ann, the girl, you can't go find her. Shelly, yeah? All prepare room about the girl and all kind of sing about the girl. She and the man lived down at Oceana Hotel where the man have one place. Yeah. Stephen Curran. He was some big thing in a digital. He still is, but I think him there. I don't know if him there, but I know him there. Yeah.
I'm gonna find him, man.
Cause she talk like, she run man. And her husband left her, him left her. Say Ashley.
Ashley designed that.
Yeah, just look for her. She sing. She can sing. She sing that. The black girl, she tickish. Her body, she tickish. She used to sing back up for Burnley and the Dragadiers. She have a name like it. I say Ashley Martin.
Yeah.
Come to me, Ashley Martin. That's what she name. So I love to see who the two. Me tell you when I find the two real genuine people then. And me tell you and you tell me which date. We'll come see you. But just hold up your head, same. Don't make them drag you too much. But since you want hot tea, I'm going to give her a porridge. And the hottest porridge them make is cornmeal.